how WordPress works. Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how WordPress works. First, open Google Chrome and go to the WordPress website. Make sure you are logged into your account. From the top left corner, click on the dashboard. This is where you manage everything on your website. Then click on Stats from the left sidebar to view your site performance, including how many people visited, where they came from, and which posts are popular. Now go to the Posts section and click on Add Post to create a new blog post. Here you can enter a title for your post. Then click on the plus icon to add content blocks such as paragraphs, images, headings, galleries, lists, and quotes. Click on Browse All to explore more block types you can use in your post. Go back to the menu on the left side to see other tools and options. Now click on Pages, then click Add New Page to create a new page for your site, like an About or Contact page. Enter your page title and add content just like in a post. Now go to Appearance and click on Themes to browse and apply different designs for your website. You can preview how each theme will look before applying it. Then click on Plugins to install extra tools or features like contact forms, SEO tools, or image sliders to make your site more powerful. Lastly, check the Tools and Settings sections. Tools may help you import or export content, and settings let you control things like your site title, time zone, and comment settings. This is how WordPress works, giving you full control to build and manage your website with ease. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.